Bridges have always held significant strategic value throughout history and served as symbols of the eras in which they were constructed. Extraordinary engineering skills and the courage of bridge builders were required to connect two shores or steep slopes separated by deep gorges. For many centuries, humanity has constructed various types of structures, with a particular emphasis on the category of suspension systems. In simpler terms, these are suspension or hanging bridges, which will be the focus of our discussion. Some are striking in their size, others are real works of art, and some stand out for their originality. However, the length of the bridge has always been of importance. Today, we will tell you about the world's longest suspension bridges in recent years, as well as discuss which among them are the best and most technologically advanced. Enjoy watching. The Canakkale 1915 Bridge is a contender for the title of the world's longest suspension bridge with its innovative construction. This magnificent bridge is located in Turkey and is also one of the largest transportation projects in the country's history, significantly reducing travel time across the Dardanelles Strait to just 6 minutes. The Canakkale 1915 Bridge has become an important link between Europe and Asia. The total length of the 6-lane, 3 lanes in each direction, suspension bridge across the Dardanelles is 4,608 meters. Thus, the Canakkale 1915 Bridge holds the distinction of being the world's longest central span suspension bridge. The distance between the two main supports of the bridge spans 2,023 meters, symbolizing the century of the Turkish Republic, which the country will celebrate in 2023. 4 monuments are installed above the bridge's towers, symbolizing the massive artillery shells that Turkish soldiers carried on their backs during the 1915 campaign. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge is one of Japan's prominent landmarks. Until recently, it held the title of the world's longest suspension bridge, until it was surpassed by a Turkish bridge in 2022. Behind its magnificent architectural forms and charismatic appearance lie incredibly complex construction conditions, significant technical challenges, substantial financial investments, and numerous interesting facts and stories that speak to its uniqueness. The construction of the Akashi Kaikyo suspension bridge began as recently as 1986, and it took 12 years to finally connect the two shores due to the complex design. Delays were primarily caused by severe weather conditions and strong winds, although real disasters occurred as well, such as earthquakes under the bridge itself. As previously mentioned, from its completion in 1998 until 2022, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge held the title of the world's longest suspension bridge, with a main span length of 1991 meters, accounting for the length of the main span held by the steel cables. This achievement earned it a place in the Guinness World Records. Furthermore, its cost record has yet to be surpassed, making it the most expensive bridge in the world. The official amount spent from the island's budget was $4.3 billion, although some sources claim it exceeded $5 billion. The suspension Great Belt Bridge in Denmark amazes with its span. It rightfully became the longest of its kind structure in Europe. The Great Belt Bridge crosses the strait of the same name, connecting the islands of Zealand and Funen. The length of the bridge itself is 6,790 meters, and the total length of all structures is 18 kilometers. It was constructed between 1988 and 1998. The final cost of the crossing through the strait amounted to 21.4 billion Danish kroner. After the bridge's construction, the travel time between the islands was reduced by over an hour, and there was a significant increase in passenger and freight transportation between the eastern and western parts of Denmark. The Great Belt Bridge sees the passage of 27,600 vehicles daily. The ferry service provided no more than 8,000. The bridge is the only toll road in Denmark. The cost for a car to cross the Great Belt Bridge in 2019 was 245 Danish kroner, 35 euros. The Osmangazi Bridge is located on the coast of the Izmit Gulf in the Marmara Sea region of Turkey. This marvel of engineering is one of the world's largest mid-span suspension bridges, boasting a span of 2682 meters and showcasing a unique structural achievement. The construction of the Osmangazi Bridge is considered not only as a transportation project, but also as an indicator of Turkey's infrastructural and technological potential. The construction of the bridge was carried out in accordance with international standards, and the result was a structure with high quality and safety standards. During the construction, the latest technologies and engineering solutions were used to ensure the strength and durability of the bridge. The bridge was inaugurated on July 1, 2016, and contributed to an unprecedented economic growth in the region. With the introduction of the Osmangazi Bridge into operation, transportation within the region has been significantly reduced. Travel time between major cities such as Istanbul and Bursa was reduced on average from approximately 3.5 hours to 1.5 hours. This greatly accelerated economic activity, increased trade, and regional development. The Humber Bridge is located near Kingston upon Hull in England. The Humber Bridge is a suspension bridge with a main span of 1410 meters, a total length of 2220 meters, and a width of 28.5 meters. The height of the tower is 156 meters. The construction of the bridge took place from July 1972, over a period of 9 years. Traffic on the bridge was opened on June 24, 1981. On average, about 120,000 vehicles pass over the bridge each week. The construction of the vehicular bridge cost £151 million. The Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge became the third bridge spanning the Bosporus Strait to the north of Istanbul. Construction of this bridge began in the spring of 2013 and was completed 3 years later, with traffic opening on it in August 2016. It became an integral part of the North Marmara Highway, which is currently under construction. It is distinguished by a combined design. In some sections, the deck is supported by pylons, while in others, cables are added to them, and the central part of the main span is solely suspended by cables. This bridge holds the title of the widest suspension bridge in the world, featuring 8 lanes for traffic, 4 in each direction, as well as 2 additional railway tracks. The bridge's towers reach a height of 322 meters, which is also a record-breaking feature. Approximately $3 billion were invested in the construction of the bridge. The Jiangyin Yangtze River Bridge is the fastest maritime crossing over the Yangtze River, accommodating a 3-lane river passage. Crossing the river is facilitated by a 50-meter navigational clearance. The bridge features 6 traffic lanes, 3 in each direction, and pedestrian walkways. The bridge deck rises 50 meters above the water. The completion of the bridge was timed to coincide with the 50th anniversary of the 1947 Chinese Revolution. For Chinese engineers, this bridge was the longest they had ever designed. Construction of the bridge's foundation began in 1994, and the design and construction took less than 3 years. The bridge's towers reach a height of 190 meters, equivalent to a 60-story skyscraper. The main span of the bridge is composed of a smoothly curved steel plate. The total cost for the bridge's construction exceeded 2.7 billion yuan, and its grand opening took place on September 28, 1999. The Tsing Ma Bridge in Hong Kong is one of the longest bridges in the world and an undisputed masterpiece of architectural art. The main span's length measures 1,377 meters, with the entire crossing spanning 2.2 kilometers. The bridge is a part of the North Lantou Highway, which, along with 3 other bridges, connects the new territories to Chek Lap Kok Island, where the Hong Kong International Airport is located. The concept for such a structure was developed 120 years ago, but the construction of the bridge only began in 1992 and was completed 5 years later. The global community closely monitored the creation of the bridge. Constructing such a long bridge with such heavy loads required a lot of work from engineers and builders. The construction of the bridge cost 7.2 billion Hong Kong dollars. The opening ceremony was attended by former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher. At the time of its completion, it was the world's 2nd longest bridge. To this day, it remains the longest bridge carrying railway traffic and one of the longest suspension bridges in the world. The suspension Hardanger Bridge is located between Oslo and Bergen and is also considered the longest bridge in Norway. The bridge's length is 1,380 meters with a main span of 1,310 meters, making it one of the longest in the world. Its height reaches 55 meters above sea level. The bridge accommodates vehicular lanes, and it is also divided into a bicycle lane and pedestrian area. The bridge was constructed over a period of 4 years and was opened in 2013. The distance between the main towers of the bridge is only 14.5 meters, making the Hardanger Bridge one of the most flexible bridges in the world. Write in the comments which of the bridges shown today impressed you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Kara Show channel. Goodbye.